Blogger is a service originally founded in order to offer a platform with which any user could express themselves on the internet through the publication of content on their own blogs. Since 2003, due to its proposal and its growth, it was acquired by Google, which unified it to its entire system of services and platforms. These are some applications that every blogger must have to develop and maximize their creativity. WordPress. It has a much higher user interface, which serves to make corrections, view statistics, among other functions. Blogger. It is simpler than the official WordPress application. Despite its simplicity, it is now also very well valued by its users. Google Analytics is another one of those absolutely essential tools for any blogger who wants to make an analysis of their site. The official version of Google Analytics for smartphone is very complete, including goal conversations, real-time statistics, AdWords integrations, among other options. SugarSync is a service for synchronization and backup of files in the cloud, which is constantly updating all its material in a secure way, allowing you to have a backup at your fingertips. MailChimp. With this application, you can manage, automate, and track all newsletter shipments and email campaigns for your readers through a personal or corporate brand email address.